Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Vacasa, Vacation Rentals and Property Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Vacasa is a vacation rental app designed to help travelers find and book high-quality vacation homes, condos, and cabins across the United States and other destinations. It also serves as a platform for property owners to manage their rentals efficiently. The app provides real-time availability, transparent pricing, detailed property photos, and verified reviews to ensure a smooth booking experience. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports secure payments directly through the platform. The app's main feature is its professionally managed vacation homes. Every listing is maintained by Vacasa's local team, ensuring cleanliness, reliability, and 24/7 guest support. Users can search by destination, filter by amenities like Wi-Fi, pet friendliness, or ocean views, and even get last-minute deals for spontaneous trips. Property owners can use the same app to monitor bookings, performance, and earnings easily. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Vacasa's wide range of professionally cleaned homes, user-friendly design, and quick customer service responses. Guests often find the app helpful for discovering vacation properties that are consistent in quality, unlike listings on peer-to-peer platforms. The ability to manage both travel and hosting from one app adds to its versatility. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported inconsistent check-in instructions or occasional communication delays with property managers. Prices may vary compared to other booking platforms, especially with added service fees. In some regions, property availability can also be limited outside peak seasons. In summary, the Vacasa app may be worth using if you want a reliable, high-quality, and professionally managed platform for vacation rentals, whether as a traveler or property owner. However, if you prefer lower-cost peer-to-peer options or direct communication with hosts, other platforms might offer more flexibility. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.